Third Eye Computer Center Kheroni Forest Bazar along Aki Miasai Hem Kangpupon. Pirthe adang Science and Technology kapaprang pik ajoine non owiki miatum lapen lokachar libomatum computer ke theknangji akenang sot. Lasonapor ahut nijang Karbi Anglong Kheroni Forest Bazar along Ravina Khatun lapen Faruk Hashen ahinpen patir pipon si Third Eye Computer Center ingpupon. Labangso Third Eye Computer Center along Pregjam Computer Course DCA, DFA, PGDCA Lahai Hui Computer Course Longponji Puta ahem pupen pachinipon. Lapen ST SC students atumaphan ningkan isia Farman Computer Basic Course DCA akejoy pen amen chethabdun longji lapen akejoy pen Charlie longji puta pherangkia tumaphan pachinidun. Lapen labangso Third Eye Computer Center akimikang puponalo aluhi sarpo amen pen kachetongdun Rainama High School Headmaster Bhokto Bahadur Chetri, Rachana Roy Managing Director of MSME Diphu Lapen, Third Eye Computer Center Students Atum Chetongdun. Labangso Institution along Non-Amat Bang Koirapho Usomaratum Charlie Dun Bomlo.
First of all, hello everyone. Actually, today we are opening Third Eye Computer Center at Forest Bazaar, providing entrepreneur skill development courses. And we have this center is selected by Mrs. Archana Roy, who is the managing director of MSME, actually from DIFU, and we are launching within this 2 or 3 days. This program today is the first class, and we'll do our first class today. And the benefits, Third Eye Computer Center is almost 4 lakh students. We have already teach them about a computer, and the benefits is we are providing good courses, and after that student can use this certificate in government sector also, like getting any jobs and all. During interview also they can provide this certificate courses. Nowadays we already know that all the students should have at least computer knowledge or one computer certificate to get any government job or private jobs. So these are the benefits of a computer. Etiato 25 students at present hoise aru moi matlab aru moi opekha kori asu aru bhal kore aru mane student admission bilak ahibo aru nearby jetu student bilak ase lahe lahe gom pabo ar ahi thakibo, and I will give my best to provide a computer knowledge. And
remote area
I will say that they should try to learn the computer, because these days without computer knowledge students will not get any like jobs, whether it is private jobs or government job. They should have computer knowledge. And actually myself, I am an instructor. I will teach computer, and I will try my best to teach them properly, or I'll try my best from my side to
last question. যেহেতু এবার প্রথমবারের কারণে ফরেস্ট বাজারের যে ইনস্টিটিউট খোলা হয়েছে,
yes, this is first time we are open this computer center, Third Eye Computer Center. We have our computer center at Kheroni, West Karbi Anglong, and this year we have opened this Third Eye Computer Center here at Forest Bazaar. My name is Robina Khatun. Designation computer instructor and honor also.
Sermili Phangchopi ahin pen CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen MLA Dr. Numal Mamin EM Richard Tokbialong kerap kachohangpon. Ar koini phaikre troksi arni lakhain koira trok duar baguri constituency angkang pi dolamara men phangchwa maker Jiren Ronghang achor Sermili Phangchopi pen Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lakhakre troksi bokajan Dr. Numal Mamin lapen local education EM Richard Tokbiatuma phan kerap kachohang. Keso parpika jok Jiren Ronghang achor Sermili Phangchopi pen Karbi Anglong pen ningkemenai abangphu CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang MLA Dr. Numal Momin EM Richard Tokbiatum nangravek thapusi keso derachor Sermili Phangchopi pen mekri buprup pen tuning ripon. kesodet jiren rong hangaphan Guwahati Hayak Hospital along ansi ponlo non Hayak Hospital along si selang pon bomlang hithi eroi soselo longle phelang chainong chelong lapen kejor meme ason an ke chejor laplo non 4 lakh so se atangka dam etlo sita kemeji aphan angring avelang lasinang ravek thapusi kesodet achor sermili phang chopi lapen kesodet a iklapen hem isipen mekri meklangpen ningkemenai cm Dr. Puliram Ronghang MLA Dr. Numol Momin EM Richard Tokbetum nang ravek thapusi kisung ke phoatumpen chuning ripon lapen kahumri jiadim account number 38748695 IFSC number SBIN
Linil tum don rap tum asta meni tum tabor idun lo stame ki dor de lang la silabang so kisu ki pameji phan nang tum ki thegi ding mate litum Karbi Anglong CM Dr. Puliram Ronghang lapen litum kaching hon local MEC mate EM Richard Tokbi lapen ke MLA aki hai Dr. Numol Momin alang litum phan labang so akisung along ang rabdun vek thapusi nili adona rab hoipen stami chuniri padikrim duninglo lasi kiso bangke non asap nemucholo pusi birtalong lasi anso se kiso ke langi phan tangkanang ulang pusi hada ki doduna tumpen birtanang pali lasi nili tum hoi stami alang tum phan nang rabdun vek pusi ning thepen chuniri dunlo gadom